The cabin on the Sea Ray 340 Sundancer is tried and true. This is a great design with a settee arrangement and a table for serving meals or just hanging out and having some table space. This one's got the forward berth and it's got an upgraded mattress on it, so it's really comfortable for overnighting. The refrigerator here in the cabin was upgraded to a newer one. The TV has been replaced and modernized with an Insignia Roku TV. Check out the bathroom here. Got a vacuum flush head, and the sink faucet raises up to make a shower. Pretty standard fare for these 340s. Works just fine. Joining me on the bow here, you notice this boat's equipped with the forward deck cushion for sunbathing. You've got fender racks that hold 4 fenders. This one's got the remote controlled spotlight. And one of the things I really enjoy about this boat is the framed bimini top. Just makes it look like a bigger boat. As I'm looking at the Mercruiser Smartcraft vessel view, I noticed that this boat only has 354 hours on it, so super low hours for a 2006 model boat. Thanks for checking out this beautiful 340 with me. If you need any more details, please call me, Roger Duffy, at 512-750-8169. Be glad to talk boats with you anytime. I hope you find these walkthroughs to be helpful. If you need any additional information, please call me, Roger Duffy, at 512-750-8169. We'll see you on the water.